All right, let's dive into some automotive tech that, well, it pretty much completely rethinks what a dash cam is supposed to be. This is the WOLFBOX G900, and its whole mission is to solve a really simple but kind of huge problem. What if your car had eyes everywhere? So let's just kick things off with this thought. What if your car could actually see everything around it, all at once? I'm not just talking about what's in front of you, or even what's behind you. I mean, what if it could see what's happening right under your front bumper? That's the big idea we're going to unpack here. Okay, first things first. What really makes this G900 different? See, it's not just another camera for recording accidents, right? It's designed from the ground up to be a complete vision system for your car. We're talking about a full, comprehensive view of everything around you. And really, it all boils down to one magic number: 3. The G900 is recording from 3 separate video channels at the same time. This creates a field of view that, honestly, your typical single or even dual camera setup just can't touch. It basically gets rid of blind spots you probably didn't even realize were there. And here's the really impressive part. You're not giving up any quality to get all that extra coverage. No way. The front-facing camera, which, by the way, replaces your rear-view mirror, is recording in beautiful 4K. The rear cam, that's a super sharp 2.5K. And even that really unique bumper camera is getting you a crisp 1080p. So you're getting a high-quality, high-fidelity view from literally every angle. But you know, it's not just about jamming more pixels in there. It's about what those pixels can do. So let's peel back the layers and look at the actual tech inside that makes the image so incredibly clear, especially when the lights go down. And that brings up a really important question, right? Because anyone who's ever used a dash cam knows that night recording can be, well, a total mess. So what's the secret sauce here? What makes the footage from this thing so clear, even when it's pitch black outside? The answer is a piece of tech called STARVIS 2. It's this advanced sensor that's in the front camera, and its whole job, its entire reason for being, is to be amazing in low light. To give it like this, it can just soak up way more light than a normal sensor. And what does that mean for you? A clearer, more detailed picture with way, way better contrast. And trust me, the difference is night and day, literally. On one side, you've got your standard night vision. You know the look. Grainy, kind of blurry, all washed out. But on the other side with STARVIS 2, the details are just popping. The colors are actually accurate, and the contrast is so much better. The bottom line is you can actually see what's happening. And isn't that the whole point? All right, this next feature is where the G900 really truly sets itself apart. It pushes it into a whole new category of device. They call it the explorer's perspective, and it's built to solve a very specific problem for let's say, a very specific kind of adventurer. So the G900 introduces what they call a groundbreaking bumper-mounted dashcam designed for outdoor explorers. And yeah, this right here is the real game changer. It's a feature that's aimed directly at anyone who loves to take their truck or SUV off-road. Okay, so what's the actual advantage of this in the real world? Well, for starters, that super low-angle view lets you see exactly what's in front of your tires. I mean, it's perfect for crawling over rocks or navigating tricky ruts without needing someone to get out and spot you. Plus, it's completely waterproof, so mud, rain, whatever, it's no problem. And finally, the thing is just built tough. It's made to take a beating on the trail. Okay, so the hardware is clearly impressive, but how do you actually use all this stuff? Let's talk about the smart features that make controlling this whole system not only super easy, but safe while you're keeping your eyes on the road. A huge piece of the puzzle here is connectivity. The G900 uses the faster 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi band. So what's in it for you? Well, it means your downloads are way faster when you're pulling clips to your phone. It also means the connection is just more stable and reliable, so it's not going to drop out on you, especially when you're in a crowded area with lots of interference. And get this, for extra safety, it's also got voice control. This is awesome. You can handle all the important functions without ever taking your hands off the steering wheel. Just say a simple command to save a critical clip or snap a photo. And when you pair that with the WOLFBOX app, getting to your videos and sharing them is just completely seamless. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about the whole package. When you actually open the box for the G900, what's inside? Well, it's designed to be a complete, all-in-one solution. The idea is you have everything you need to get up and running right away. And man, this kit is seriously comprehensive. Obviously, you get all 3 cameras, but here's the kicker. It also comes with a 256 gigabyte memory card already installed. That is a huge plus. On top of that, you're getting the GPS antenna, all the cables you need, and literally every clip, zip tie, and mount you could possibly want for the installation. It is, without a doubt, a complete system right out of the box. So that kind of brings us to a final thought here. The G900 is a really fascinating piece of tech, especially for a specific kind of driver. And it really makes you wonder, as our cameras start giving us these totally new perspectives, like literally seeing the ground right under our wheels, how is that going to change the way we explore the world around us?